Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ed and you are watching Random E. So today I'm going to share to you how I do my video editing using iMovie so that you can see from preparing the files down to editing and then uploading to YouTube Studio. I'll show the entire process to you. So before anything else, you should copy all the files you need. I already airdropped my file from my phone to my MacBook. So right now I'm going to edit this. This is my AirPods Pro unboxing. So once you copy the files already in your laptop, you go to your iMovie. So you open iMovie and then create new project. So click create new and then movie, select movie. So first you can just go to your file and then this is your video and then drag and drop here in your iMovie. So what I do first is I clean up some unnecessary clips. So first thing I do is I play it first, and then if I notice some audio I do not like, for example I want to edit it out, I will cut it and then remove it from the video clip. So for example this one, I want to cut for the AirPods Pro box content. So to cut the video, I click Command and then B. So Command B, it will split into separate
paperwork
file. So if you like to expand, you just scroll this left and right. So scrolling left, it will collapse, and then if you want to expand, you scroll to the right.
If the default
so for example that part,
so you can change it.
I want to remove the dead air. So what I do is I expand and then go back to it, and then so I want to cut the dead air. So I go there again and then Command B and then Command B again here on the end of the dead air. So I just delete it to edit out to avoid the dead air in the video. So what I will do is add some transition first, so that I'll just show you what I normally do. So this is my favorite intro transition.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
And then at the end I want to add a cross blur transition. By the way, I click on the transition here and then this will show up, and then you can just click and drag to your video down below. So earlier we split some videos here, so I will add some title there. That's the reason why I cut it, so that I have a marker. So click on the titles and then
paperwork again.
So I will put the title here, paperwork. And then type the title, paperwork. And then here, AirPods case, charging case, or charging case. So you can double click or drag and drop. So right now I double click it only. So after putting the title, let's play it again. I'll play the entire video, so let's see if there's anything I still need to edit. So if you want to remove the audio for that part, you can double click the volume and then click the mute audio. So the audio will be removed here, as you can see. Yeah, you can see the audio is empty here. So after putting the title and the transition, we're going to add an audio clip from which I downloaded from YouTube audio library. So here you can go to your YouTube studio. You can preview the audio clip here, and then if you want to get that audio, you can download. So those are just some of the examples of audio clips. So since I already downloaded the clip, so I can just select from here, and I think I can put, so I just drag and drop the audio clip to my iMovie. So normally I set this to 30% so that it doesn't overpower my voiceover. So yeah, just double click on the audio clip here, and then click on the volume control and then set it to 30%. So let's play it again to check the audio clip and the entire video. So since the audio is quite long, we can cut it here. So click here. Yeah, there's a mark here at the end after the transition. So you can just click there, and then Command B again. Same command that we have for the video. So delete. And normally I set a fade in and fade out from the start and end of the audio. So you can see a circular thing here. You just drag and then drag it to the left, and also the same for the intro. You can just drag so that it will fade in.
Hi everyone, welcome back to
the
my
audio
channel.
clip will
This
fade
is Ed,
in
and you are watching Random E.
at the start, and then it will fade out.
Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Yeah. And then we want to export the video after you have completed editing. So here, click export file, and then select what quality you'd like the video. So I set it to high because the best or ProRes requires bigger storage. So I just set to high, and then compress to better quality, not faster. So next, and then you put the title of your video. So for me it's AirPods unboxing, AirPods Pro, and then save. You will see the progress here. There's a circle on this side. You can see the progress until it finish. So there will be a small message box once it's complete. It's completely exported, so it's almost done. So this is the message box that I was saying. So we can just close this and then check the video. It's 19 unboxing. So let's double click just to play the video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ed, and you are watching Random E.
So after reviewing the video, if you don't have any issues with the video, you want to upload your video already to the YouTube, So you go to YouTube Studio and then click create and then upload video and then select file. You can also drag and drop here, but for me I want to select the file. So once you selected the file, it will upload. While uploading, you can set up the title, Unboxing AirPods Pro. In the description, normally I just put the product features. System code. Maybe what's in the box is enough for the product description. So as you can see, it's still uploading. Actually, you can set it up. It's processing the thumbnail as well while uploading. Yeah, it's upload complete. So let's set up. No, it's not made for kids. Show more. So we can set up the language, the tags. So maybe we can add Apple AirPods Pro, and then select the video language. It's English, and then date of recording. I recorded it yesterday, so you can put it today or yesterday, it's up to you. And then everything at default. So yeah, let's click on next. You can set it up later as well for the end screen, or if you want to add card in your video. So right now I don't want to set up anything yet. So next, it will check for the copyright. I think this is a new step right now. Before, I don't remember there's a copyright checking. So no issues found for the copyright. So next, and then click public. You can set as instant premiere so that your subscribers will be notified. You uploaded a video, they will be notified. And then if you want to set a schedule, but for now I'm not going to set a schedule. I just set save and publish to public, and then click publish. So you can watch the video, you can copy the link or click the link here, so it will load.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ed, and you are watching
That's it.
So
that's how I edit and upload my video to my YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.